Hello again, Earthling. Today I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. Let's get started. First, let's fix the dent on the wheels. Here is the dent that need to be fixed. Dent fixed. Now it's time to prep the wheels ready for spray. Wheels all prep and masked. It's time to spray. I got spray gun, but for this video I am using only spray can. This is all the spray needed for this project. I'm using mainly Anchor spray paint except for the Decay Clear. First step is primer surface gray. Oops. Second is white. Third and the most important one is pearl white. This color is quite expensive because it has the star. And finally, Decay Clear for paint protection. Make sure to wait at least 15 minutes before you spray another layer. Right now, I'm going to modify the wheel cap. I'm going to change the cap sticker to a better Volk raise. But before that, let's polish this cap sticker to make it look nicer.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing.
All nice and shiny. This is how the old wheel cap looks like. And this is how it looks like with a polished cap sticker. Things are about to change, it's evolution. not perfect without wheel stickers. For this project, I choose holographic Volt Racing sticker. Sticker looks perfect with pearl white wheels.
Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear?
It's time to install the tire. Tire installed. All the tire is installed. And now it's time to install the new wheels to my car. This is my car, Perodua Viva, a small K car from Malaysia. Also known as Daihatsu AV in Japan.
You feel it moving with the revolution.
Choppers, better took those risks. Cool, but in my fists we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys.
This side is done. This side is done faster with the magic of editing.
A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Super Shine Silicone Tire Wax.
Choppers, better took those risks. Cool, but in my fists we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys.